you know that mice are incredibly skilled at squeezing through tiny spaces? In fact, they can fit through holes the size of a dime and can chew right through your siding. Mice often find shelter and a path into your home through your meter boxes. This mouse was nesting and eventually got fried in this meter box. These mice were climbing this pole to the attic. Mice will leave rub marks from their bodies where they travel to and from. Attic insulation is a mouse's favorite for warmth, nesting, and defecating. Mice love vegetation and vines like these. The problem with this home was that the vines were growing in between the siding and the foundation, which opens up travel paths for mice directly into the home. Make sure you remove and keep vegetation away from the siding of your home. Power and AC lines are one of the most common places mice will enter your home. When sealing up these holes, we use 1/4-inch wire mesh and caulking. If you need to keep mice out permanently, find a mouse-proofing professional that seals up your home from the outside and not one that just places poison in your home quarterly. For more mouse-proofing tips and tricks, like and subscribe.